Create a VM in CloudRaya is simple. Before you begin, make sure you have active project and available cloud credit. Let's start by clicking Open Project on the designated project. Now, go to Compute, choose Virtual Machine, and click Add VM. The VM creation flow consists of 7 steps. Each step can be reviewed before deployment. Select a cloud zone where the VM will be deployed. The selected location may affect performance and latency. Choose the operating system and version for the VM that works for you. Here, you define the resources for your VM. You can choose a predefined package or adjust CPU, memory, and storage using the sliders. The system automatically selects the closest matching package. For this demo, let's choose the X small package. By default, a VPC is created automatically. But if you need a custom VPC, you can create it manually by clicking this page. Next, you can set your SSH key if you need it by clicking the dropdown and choosing the Add SSH key option. Here, you can set your SSH key easily. Please note that if you are using Microsoft Windows as your operating system, the SSH key setting is not available. If you don't need an SSH key, you can simply click Save and move on to the next step. Hostname is simply the name of your VM. You can just type your VM name, then click Save. You can input a note to add a description for your VM on the note settings and click Save. We're almost there. Before deploying your VM, you can see the estimated cost and review the overall configuration. Then you can click Deploy Server to start provisioning. After deployment, the VM appears in the list and transitions to a running state. Now, the virtual machine is ready to use. Ready to create your first VM?